Alright, so this is one of the greatest benefits of having a business, is you get a business expense account. So instead of having to buy a poster for my own house, Max just puts the magic business card in there, and I get a new poster for my house.
Today I'm going to make an omelet. Never made an omelet before. I think it uses eggs. Oh, an interesting thing about chives. Some people prefer chives, some people prefer onions.
What's up, guys? I'm Daryl.
I'm also Joe.
We're the other brothers. So usually we're saying that on magic videos. We are magicians and we create magic for magicians all around the world. We have a company called Abstract Effects.
That's with Maxwell. He takes care of he takes care of us.
But we are here to tell you guys about a whole new thing we're doing. Through our magic career, we've been saving up a little pile of cash to specifically invest into a lot of little businesses. We have a ton of ideas. We love being creative. We've kind of made a last minute pivot here. So we decided to take that money and then assemble a team. Instead of just doing it ourselves, we wanted to assemble a team to help us with this. But then we had kind of a cool idea. We said, what if we just document the entire process?
We've started other companies before, like we have Oliver and Bragg, a silver company, jewelry company, and we thought it would be way better to pull from all of our resources to make something even better than we could do. And we got the amazing opportunity to work with our friends, and there's nothing better that we could ask for. We're gonna tell you guys all about launch, but before we get to that, I really want to introduce you guys to our friends Heather and Chris. You guys want to come on and say hi?
Yeah, what's up?
So everybody knows us.
Hi.
Everybody knows us from doing our magic tricks and selling magic tricks and stuff. Or maybe you don't know us yet, but why don't you guys tell us about you guys?
Go ahead.
Yeah.
So my name is Heather Rochelle, and I have a background in culinary, specifically culinary business and culinary science. And I have done a lot of research and development for other companies, including marketing and specifically here in Vegas, opening restaurants for celebrity chefs. If you've been to Vegas and you've gone out to eat, you've probably been in one of the restaurants that I have either helped create or been a chef at. So that's my background, and I'm really excited to be here.
Which is awesome, because in our company, before this, we haven't done a ton of like marketing, really. We've just kind of had our niche group of fans and followers, and so it's gonna be really cool to get like an insight from Heather.
And I'm Chris Hanna, and I'm a magician, and with the whole COVID thing, haven't been able to perform, but I've always had interest in film and photography, so now I get to take advantage of that, and thanks to these guys, brought me on, and here I am.
Yeah, so we're gonna kind of tell you about launch.
So the basic idea about launch is we're gonna work with different people. So everybody, even you, has $1 million idea. The only problem is, how do you take that idea and turn it into real money? And that's something that we've all done on a daily basis. And we want to take other people's ideas, turn them into real money, and use all of our connections to make it be even bigger than it has any right to be.
So essentially what we're trying to do here is create a YouTube community where we're gonna be like way more open about our business dealings on a day-to-day basis and what exactly we're doing. We don't wanna hold secrets back and give you hot tips. We wanna show you just like what we're doing to make these businesses so that we can create a community where a lot of people are learning a lot about business, and you go through our other channels, which we'll talk about in a minute, and you can really get into the granular things of like how to do a business.
So that you could do it yourself even, right?
That's kind of the point, right?
Point.
We want you guys to do it yourself, and by growing our channel up, we're gonna have a great customer base for when we partner with other people. We're gonna partner with subscribers, we're gonna partner with people who comment on videos, and we're gonna make these businesses with them in a kind of a new, unique way. And we're super excited about it. And as the channel grows, it's better for everybody involved, and we hope it involves a lot of you guys in the future.
Along with the four of us that are sitting on the couch right now, we do have two more players in this. We mentioned Maxwell before. You all know and love him from Abstract Effects and the other brothers. He is going to be behind the scenes taking care of everything that we need to make all of this actually happen. We have the ideas, we're the creative part of this, but Max is really going to be that person who makes things happen in real life.
So if you're gonna be a 1 or 2 person business, then you can learn from everybody and kind of combine into your own thing.
So to create your own business, you either need to be a Maxwell or find a Maxwell, pretty much. Also, we have one other person who we can't really introduce exactly the way we would like to at this point.
Yeah.
We're gonna call this person Kay.
Kay knows about everything. Kay knows literally everything.
All encompassing.
You'll see Kay's tips across the board. We'll tell you it is a very real human being.
Yes.
They specialize in keeping the whole thing, keeping everybody on schedule, keeping everybody meeting deadlines, because we're never on time. We don't make deadlines. It's not what we do. But Kay is ready to keep us in line and make sure everything gets done.
So unfortunately, Kay can't be here with us due to some extremely high security clearance.
Aliens are real.
Kay told us.
Kay told us.
But be ready to meet Kay at some point in the future. We're really excited to get them on camera eventually.
Hopefully.
And hopefully if things turn out the way that we hope, then Kay will be here in person as well.
If somebody guesses Kay's real name and gender,
Oh.
they win a...
All right.
Yeah, let's
You
do
guess
that.
Kay's name.
Yeah.
And because Daryl and I went back and forth about this. Daryl said there's no chance that anyone ever will guess
In
Kay's
a
name.
million years, I never would have guessed.
So he would never guess. He thinks no one will guess. And I think it will be like among the top 5 first guesses. So comment what you think Kay's name is, and we won't tell you whether you're right or wrong, but we'll tell you how many people got it right next time.
How about if you're the first person to comment the correct name, we'll give you a free poster.
Signed by
Yeah.
Kay.
Signed
Signed by Kay. Yeah.
I love it.
All right, guys. So to do a business, there's a lot of things going on, and we didn't want to just be some long form thing where we just like straight up stream every day what we're doing, because that wouldn't be the most entertaining because it's like a full-time job. So what we've done is try to break it up into a bunch of segments, and the segments that we have, the different shows on our channels, are The Landing, which is what you're watching right now, which is going to be our weekly review show of all of the businesses we're working on, kind of the overarching thing of launch. Because the idea with launch, again, is to create tons of businesses. This is where we're going to tell you about businesses that are doing extra good, businesses that are failing terribly, how much money we're making, because like I said, we're going to tell you about everything, and that's what The Landing is. And then I guess the next set of videos to talk about would be Mission Control.
Right, Mission Control is going to be where we dive into each business one at a time. So each episode of Mission Control is going to show you what we did for that specific business to get it up and running. And then as we're going through and we have multiple businesses happening at once, then we might have special versions of Mission Control where we go back to that business and show you what we're doing with it
To upkeep it,
to
basically.
keep
Yeah.
it running properly, and if there are any changes that we're making.
For example, we have a Mission Control for launch right now, which is because this is a business in itself that we're creating to be the umbrella.
This is the
overall,
umbrella
right?
business.
This is the umbrella business. So we've done a Mission Control video for launch, which you can see what we've done to set up launch to begin with, and you can follow that series on.
Perfect.
And you can duplicate it for yourself.
So
Which
that's-
that's where we get to next.
Yeah, cockpit videos. So what the cockpit videos are videos where we're going to dive deep into the how-tos. They're basically tutorials, but they're going to be very like specific things, like how to integrate drop shipping.
The one that I did was all about how to 3D model and design. So one of the merch things that you can get right now is a keychain, a launch keychain, and it shows you exactly how, if you have never used 3D modeling software before, never done 3D printing, you can follow this step by step and learn. You don't have to go find other resources. It's all right here so that you have everything you need to do it right now.
You'll be able to find the video where I set up our second YouTube channel. We're calling it the After Party, which is going to be a whole other set of videos.
Yeah, so the after party is basically going to be like kind of just the fun stuff we do on a day-to-day, because we try not to take things too serious and things get a little crazy sometimes.
Yeah,
So-
I get to film and document it so they can see it the next day and remember what they did.
Yeah.
So that's the structure of the way we're setting up the launch channel and launch after party. So be ready for those videos to come out, like, subscribe. If there's anything that you think we're forgetting, put that in the comments below and we will definitely take that into account.
So Daryl told us that every new business needs merch to start, and I tend to agree, because we talk about this more in depth in Mission Control, but ideally we do have merch for sale. So we've got some keychains, we've got great handmade signs, and we've also got a poster, which we are already giving away, we told you about, so that's that. And then yeah, if you want to know more about like why we made the decision or what it was, then you can watch the Mission Control videos. And then if you want to see how Chris actually made the poster and how Daryl actually made the keychain and our whole hilarious issue with the keychain and how it like almost didn't come to be, even though it was like the simplest thing we've ever 3D printed, and ended up taking up like way too many hours. But yeah, so we'll go in depth like that, but there we are.
And that'll all be on Cockpit.
Yep.
Cockpit, which will be on the second channel, which you made in a cockpit.
I made it in a cockpit.
Everything. We're
With
trying to
it.
link everything. And the cool thing is we're not going to just try and get you guys to buy like merch, right? We're trying to do this as a business so you can do the same thing. So next week on The Landing, right here, we will tell you exactly how many keychains we sold, how many signs we sold, and how many posters we sold. So we'll keep you up to date. Like I said, every penny we make, you guys are going to know about it.
Totally transparent.
So if you want to make that a really exciting video, go buy that merch right now.
Yeah, Dad, get out
Just
there.
one
and buy
person.
It.
I just don't know. I don't want 0 people to buy
My
it.
dad's gonna buy one.
Okay, there you go. There you go. Done. See?
It's the one.
And that's part of it. Friends and family are what's going to
Right.
carry the business through in the beginning. So thank you
right.
guys.
And we're gonna reveal what our website is, but let's tell them.
You want to say it?
Yeah, tell them.
Yeah.
All right, you can go to thelaunchsquad.com right now, purchase the poster, purchase the keychain, purchase the handmade sign, and be a part of the next video.
And if you want to watch the hilarious process of us deciding on the Launch Squad name, something that should have taken again probably 5 minutes.
It took us like 4 hours.
And like multiple days of
Yes.
communication on 3 different platforms. But we got the name, and go watch the hilarious process on Mission Control.
So yesterday we got together for our first meeting. This is where we hashed out all what the videos are going to be, what this and this and this. But the first thing that we all did as a team was go and get that poster printed. Chris designed it. It is super awesome.
I love
and
it.
Yeah, we were like, we probably should have started filming and like make it. No. Step 1, get the poster printed.
It's all about the hype, always.
Yeah.
And so
Merch
Chris-
is everything.
Merch is all the things. And if you want to see how Chris designed the poster to be like completely royalty free so we could sell it, and then how Max integrated it into our drop shipping so it doesn't cost us anything in backstock to be able to sell these today, because all we did was Chris designed it, we printed one to take photos of, which wasn't even fully necessary, and then Max integrated them with drop shipping. So if you want to see all of that, go make sure you watch our Mission Control and Cockpit videos. But let's go watch ours get that poster printed. We'll reveal it to you, what it looks like.
And the hanging party.
Oh, that's right. We did hang the poster too. It's great.
was kinda
So
funny,
go
so-
watch that right now.
Oh yeah, it didn't quite work. Cool. Right.
Is that good? All right, the landing intro by the other brothers. Take 1. Stop farting.
Where are we going?
Walgreens.
I think it's right there. I see it. It's next to the UNLV one.
Yep, under Chris.
Just the full body.
1625. Cool. Make sure you get the pin in here.
Alright, so this is one of the greatest benefits of having a business is you get a business expense account. So instead of having to buy a poster for my own house, Max just puts the magic business card in there, and I get a new poster for my house.
Thank you.
I think we need to take.
Oh yeah, let's see it right now.
I mean, I like your
Cool,
stuff.
yeah. You wanna
I
just
would
look
have
at
loved.
this
I
knife
was half tempted to just cut all the way through it just to mess with you guys.
Oh.
Oh, that's sweet.
Oh
Yay.
That's so dope.
Amazing.
Good job, Chris.
killing it.
I love it.
At first, I was unrolling it from this side, so I was like, wow, that resolution sucks.
Should we do that because that's our first way to monetize this?
Yeah.
Is we should go get a frame for Michael's for real. On the edit, it doesn't change anything. Unless you want to film something.
Unless we wanted to say like this is the end. Right now.
Or right now, this is the end.
Yeah.
It's over.
So what do you want to see us do next? Like comment below, like because the more comments we get,
Yeah.
the algorithm for us is going to get better.
we
and
gotta
better.
get lots of